Yeah, good morning to all. So today we are going to discuss about Unit 2, that is K-maps. Now can anyone tell me what is meant by K-map? K stands for what? Already this we have discussed.
Corner.
Corner of map. So basically the K-map is a technique which is used in order to simplify the given Boolean expression without using any laws and theorems. So in case of Unit 1, we have discussed some rules, laws and theorems of a Boolean algebra. If you are able to remember those laws and theorems, then only you can able to simplify the given Boolean expression. But in case of a K-map, without using any laws and theorems of the Boolean algebra, we are going to simplify the given Boolean expression in the K-map. So please write down, keep a heading as K-map. K stands for Karnaugh. Karnaughh. Karnaughh. Karnaugh. It is a graphical representation. It is a graphical representation or a pictorial representation. It is a graphical or pictorial representation which is used for minimization of Boolean expressions. For minimization of Boolean expressions without using any laws and theorems of a Boolean algebra. Without using any laws and theorems of a Boolean algebra. Sir, please ask the 440 student to join in the DSD class. There is no PTSP class for today. It is in the afternoon first hour, that is from 1 to 2. Next, depending upon the number of variables, the K-maps are either 2, 3, 4 and 5 variable K-maps. 2, 3, 4 and 5 variable K-maps. No. For n variable K-map, it consists of 2 power n cells. It consists of 2 power n cells. Now let me take an example of a 2 variable K-map. A 2 variable K-map consists of how many cells?
4 cells.
Yeah, right on that. For a 2 variable K-map, it consists of 4 cells. If it is a 3 variable,
8.
8.
8. 4 variable 16. 5 variable 32.
32.
Is it clear till this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, write down other more important point. Keep it as a star mark and write down. In case of a K-map, in case of a K-map, it is represented with a gray code. It is represented with a gray because because in gray code, in the gray code, if we take any two consecutive numbers, if we take any two consecutive numbers, there will be change in how many different positions? There will be change in how many different positions there will be change in the gray code?
1.
Yeah, there will be change in single bit position. Single bit position. Can anyone tell me what are the other names for the gray code?
Unit distance.
Very good. Next.
Cyclic code.
Cyclic code, reflective code, and mirror image code. These are the four names for the gray code. Now, take down one example. F is equivalent to sigma m 0, 1. F is equivalent to sigma m 0, 1. Simplify using the K-map. Simplify using the K-map. Now in the given question, what is the highest number? What is the highest number?
1.
1.
1.
So here the minimum number of K-map is nothing but minimum is of 2 variable K-map. So as we are having only two numbers 0 and 1, we need to draw how many variable K-map?
2
2
variable.
variable.
Two variable K-map consists of how many cells?
4
4
cells.
cells.
4 cells. This is the, are you able to see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is a two variable K-map. Now, if they didn't specify any variables, always take the variables. One is A and the other one is B. Don't write, I'll give you time to write down. First listen to me. One is A and the other one is B. You can represent these variables in two different ways. Either you can represent in the form of 0, 1, 0, 1, or this 0 is related as A bar. This is column is A, sorry, these rows are A, columns are B. So as it is first row, A is related with 0, it is A bar. Tell me what is this?
A.
A. This one?
B bar.
B bar.
B bar.
B.
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 0, 0 means min term 0, 0, 1. Min term 1,
1.
1, 0.
Min term 2.
2,
Min term 2.
1, 1.
3.
3.
3. So first step is draw the K-map, represent either in terms of A or zeros or ones. At the corners, write down the corresponding min terms. Now in the expression, what is the given? F is equivalent to sigma m
0, comma 1.
1.
0, 1. Sigma m means whether it is SOP or POS expression.
MC.
SOP.
SOP. Sigma M is SOP. So here wherever minterm 0th cell is there, write down there 1. What is the next one?
1.
1.
1. So at 1 position also write down 1. Is it clear plotting the K-map?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
The next step is after plotting the K-map, check for adjacent. We can define the adjacency in two different ways. The first one is if both the cells are side by side. If any two cells are side by side, those two cells are called as adjacent cells. And the second one is if there is change in a single bit positions of the two cells, then those two cells are called as adjacent. Or I'll tell you in simple words, assume that you are folding this the column words as well as in the row wise. Assume that if you are folding this to the column words, can I say 1 will be overlapped on this 0? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So these two cells are adjacent to each other. So combine these two cells. Grouping of two cells is called as adjacency. So combine these two cells and similarly write down the expression. First check it out in row. In how many rows it is present?
2 rows.
0 and 1 are present in how many rows?
1 row.
1 row. That row is related to
A bar.
A bar. So it is row is A bar. It is present in how many columns?
2 columns.
2 columns, B bar and B. As both are opposite to each other, B will be cancelled out. So F is equivalent to what is the result?
A bar.
A bar. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Take down this. Once you finish that, please tell me. I'll tell you other more example.
Complete, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Take down the next question. F is equivalent to sigma m 023
0, 2, 3.
023. What is the highest number?
3.
3. What is 3 equivalent in binary?
0.
Don't append any zeros.
101.
So divide 3 with 2. What is 3 equivalent?
101.
How you will be getting 101 for 3? Divide 3 with 2.
2, 2.
If you are dividing 3 with 2, 2 ones 2 remainder is 1. How will you write this?
1, 1.
Then how you are getting 101? What is 3 equivalent?
Double 1.
Double 1. So how many bits are there?
2. 2 bits.
2 bits. That is the reason you need to draw 2 variable K-map. First draw the 2 variable K-map. Draw the 2 variable K-map.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down row A bar A and column B bar B. At the corners of the K-map, write down 0, 1, 2, 3. And place the ones at 0. What I have told you? 0, 2, 3. Place the ones at 0, 2, 3. This is A bar, A, B bar, B. This is A, B. 0, 1, 2, 3. What are the numbers given in the question?
0, 2, 3.
0 to 3.
0, 2, 3. Tell me which are adjacent.
0, 2.
So combine 0 and 2. Tell me the expression correspondingly.
B bar.
B bar.
Very good.
B bar.
What is other adjacency?
Less
2, 3.
is to more.
2,
2,
3.
3. A.
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 A1.
So F is equivalent to A plus B bar is your expression.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let me take, I'm having all the 4 ones. Take down the second, next question as sigma m 0, 1, 2, 3. Zero, 1, 2, 3. Always check for grouping of more ones. That is, check for 8 ones, then 4, then 2. If not possible, go for 1. So how many ones are there?
4 ones.
So you can group all the 4 ones, because if you fold in this way, these 1, 3 will be adjacent to 0, 2. If you fold horizontally, 0, 1 will be adjacent to 2, 3. So the expression is 1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is all about your 2 variable K-map. Shall I go for the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Take down the question. Reduce the following expressions. Reduce the following expressions using K-map. Using K-map. Write down first one. AB plus AB bar C F is equivalent to AB plus AB bar C plus A bar B C bar plus B C bar. Have you noted down the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, please don't write anything, listen to me. The first thing is, you need to convert into the standardized SOP, or the second way is you can directly draw the K-map, that is up to you. In case of converting into the standardized SOP also, I'll tell you 2 different ways, listen to me carefully. Now in this question, how many variables are there?
3.
3 variables.
What are those 3?
ABC.
A, B, C. I'll tell you method 1. First method, listen to me. You can do is in the rough column, because this is a direct rough method which we need to do. So in the first min term, which is missing?
C.
C is
C.
missing.
See here, I am taking first term AB. Are you able to see the board?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah. So the first term is AB, missing is C. So A means 1, B means 1 because it is SOP. Whichever is missing, keep a dash. One variable is missing, how many different combinations you'll be getting?
4.
Two.
Two combinations, that may be either 0 or
One.
1. So if C is missing, what is the corresponding 1, 1, 0?
6.
Triple 1,
7.
7.
7. In the second term, is there any term missing?
No.
No.
So
No,
this
no.
is 1, 0, 1. Yes or no?
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
0, 1 is
Yes, ma'am.
equivalent to for what?
5. 5.
5.
5.
5.
So this term is 5. Is there any term missing in the third min term?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Tell me.
0.
0.
0.
0.
1. 0. 1.
0, 1, 0.
2.
2.
2. Fourth term is B, C bar, which is missing?
A.
0.
A. So A, B is 1, C bar is 0.
0. 0, 1, 0 or 1, 0.
Now, can I write in this way sigma m of, write down in the first term 6, 7, second is 5, third is 2, fourth is 2 and 6. Next, write down in a sequence with increasing order. Now, tell me.
2.
Uh,
5, 6, 7.
1, 0.
2,
5.
5,
5,
6, 7.
6, 7. Is it clear this method?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note down this method. I'll tell you second method also.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Yeah, please don't disturb the class. Now, second method. In case of second method, what we are doing is we are converting simple SOP into standard SOP. So, which is missing?
C.
C. Into C plus C bar. Already we know how to convert simple SOP to standard SOP. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus A B bar C. Plus A bar B C bar. Plus, which is missing?
A.
A.
A plus A
A
bar.
plus A
Plus A
bar
bar.
A
to
bar.
B C bar.
Yes, ma'am.
Expand this.
A, B,
A
C.
B C
Plus A, B, C bar.
A B C bar
A, B,
plus A B bar C plus A bar B C bar plus A B C bar plus A bar B C bar. This is 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. So this is sigma m of, tell me,
7.
7 6 5
6. 5.
2
4.
6
2.
2.
6.
Sigma m of 2 5 6 7.
5, 6, 7.
Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can do in any of the way. But if you are doing second method, this is the actual way which you need to do. Whatever the first method which I have told you, please do it that in the rough column, then write down this directly. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
No. The third method is, in case of third method, I am not doing all these things. Directly I am plotting on the K-map. Shall I erase this part?
1 second, ma'am.
Okay. In the exam, they may give the expression as this way or this way. Is it clear? The question may be either in terms of variables or it may be in the form of sigma m. Both are one and the same. So what is the highest number?
7.
7. If they have given in this way, you need to check the highest number. 7 equivalent is what?
1 1 1.
Triple one.
Triple one.
So as there are 3 ones required, as there are 3 bits required, you need to draw the 3 variable K-map. Or if the expression is in this way, as the expression consists of 3 variables, you need to draw the 3 variable K-map. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I am drawing the K-map.
Yeah.
Then I'll give you time to note down. First, listen to me. A 3 variable consists of how many cells?
8.
8. 0 to 7. A is row, B, C are columns. Okay. If you want to write down directly in terms of A, this will become A bar. This is A. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. Or if you want to write down in terms of 0, 1, this is 0, 1. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is gray code sequence. Already in the first unit we have discussed about the gray code. The gray code for 2 is 3. Yes or no? So this becomes what? A bar, B bar, C bar. 0, 0, 0.
0.
0. Next 0, 0, 1.
1.
1. 0, double 1.
3.
3. 0, 1, 3, 2.
2.
4, 5, 7,
4,
6.
5, 7, 6.
7, 6.
Is it clear? If you
Yeah.
write down 0, 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will be wrong. So because this is a gray code sequence. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
listen to me. I'll tell you 2 different ways. The first method I'll tell you directly. Now tell me what is the first term in the expression?
AB.
AB. A is related to row or column.
Column.
Row. Which row? First row or second row?
First row. First row.
What is this number?
Second row, ma'am. Second row, ma'am.
Second row. A is second row. B. B is column or row?
Column.
Column. In the column, you are having 2 variables, first variable and second variable. B is related to first or second?
Second.
Are you able to see it or not? B, C. B B is related to first or second?
First, ma'am.
First. Now tell me at which points you are having B. Leave about 6, just check it out where you are having B in column.
0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0.
Tell me directly, already have written B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. Where you are having B?
Third row, ma'am. Third column.
Third column and
Fourth.
fourth column. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Shall I repeat it once again?
Yeah, ma'am.
The given variables, the given min term is AB. A is related to second row, and I'm selecting the second row. B is present in third column and fourth column. So the intersection of row and column. This is A row. This is third column and fourth column. The intersection of these points is your midterms. This is B. These two are B and A is same. So these are related to AB. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If not, I'll tell you the second way. Already have written the sigma m expression. Tell me what is sigma m you got?
2, 5,
2,
6, 7.
5, 6, 7.
2, 5, 6, 7. I think it is
7.
clear how you have written 2, 5, 6, 7 at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just keep the ones in 2, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you are not able to follow in the direct procedure, that is the reason I'm asking you to keep ones in 2, 5, 6, 7, because already we have converted simple SOP to standard SOP.
Ma'am, once I explain the direct method, ma'am.
Okay, can I redraw over here?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm telling you direct method. This is A bar, A, B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar.
BC bar.
Now, that are you able to see if I'm writing over here?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A, B. A. This is A. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
B. These two are B. So the intersection of A followed by B are these two, that is AB.
Okay, ma'am.
Now check, say, what is the second term?
A, B
B.
bar, C.
A is second row. Where you are having B bar C?
Second column.
Second column.
Intersection of
Second
second row,
column,
second
0, 1.
column is A, B bar C.
Yes, ma'am.
What is third one? A bar.
BC
Which
bar.
row?
BC.
First row, fourth column.
First row, fourth column. Very good. B, C bar.
Fourth column, ma'am.
Fourth column, as A is missing, A may be either A bar. So B, C bar is fourth column. Already we have written 1 and 1 in the fourth column. Whether you are getting both the things same?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is it clear at least now?
Yes, ma'am.
If you practice more number of problems directly, you can able to solve it directly also. Okay?
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me which are adjacent.
Ma'am, in the exam of writing second.
5 to 5,
Brother,
7,
please
6.
tell me. Someone is asking some question.
In exam, we can follow the second method and third method, ma'am, directly.
Yeah, you can directly point out the plotting of K-map.
How much marks will be given for the KMF, ma'am?
For the K-map, if it is a 3 variable or 2 variable, it will be only of 2 marks. If they have given 4 and 5 variable, and along with this, they'll be asking simplify using K-map and implement using NAND gate or NOR gate or universal gates. So it may be 6 or 10.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me which are adjacent.
2, 6, and 5, 7.
Yeah. Now always remember one thing. After combining, please write down, keep an arrow and write down immediately. Tell me expression.
BC bar.
As it is present in both the rows A bar, A, B, we cancel out, which is left over B, C bar.
C bar.
Yes, ma'am.
5-7
A,
AC. AC. C, ma'am. B bar.
AC.
Is it clear how I have written the AC over here?
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, ma'am.
It is
Yes, ma'am.
present in single row, it is A. It is present in both the columns, whichever is opposite in the columns, cancel those. B bar and B will be cancelled, left over with C. So the expression is what? AC plus BC bar.
B bar.
Now in order to implement this, can anyone tell me how many gates are required for the given question?
7 gates, ma'am.
How you require 7 gates? Don't consider not gate, just consider AND and OR. How many minterms are there?
4.
4. So 4
4.
AND gates are required. All those AND gates should be connected with plus symbol. So 4 AND gates and 1 OR gate. So total 5 gates. Now tell me for this one.
2 gates.
3.
3 gates.
2
AC
AND
is
gates.
1 AND gate. B C bar is other AND gate. OR is third gate. So can I say if I compare 5 gates with the 3 gates, can I simplify the given expression?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is how to simplify the given expression using the K map.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, have you taken this?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have completed this one, I'll tell you the other one. Please try to do it. ABC bar, ABC bar plus AB I don't know why some people are keeping it on the hold. If you are not interested to the class, don't come to the class. 460. ABC bar plus AB plus C plus BC plus BC bar plus DB bar. If the question is not in the sequence, first write down in the sequence. Always it should be A, B, C, D. A, B, C bar plus AB plus BC bar plus DB bar. How many variables?
4
4.
variables.
4
Four
variables.
variables.
Full number.
So in
4
the last
variables.
one they have given DB bar, but don't write down DB bar, write down B bar D. Because if you are writing, if you are following the first method, the result will be wrong. 425 and 436, please don't disturb. Four 25. First convert into standard SOP and tell me.
110.
6.
No, 110 dash. D is missing. First, try to convert into standard SOP. See, if two variables are missing, you get 4 different combinations. If 3 variables are missing, 8 combinations. In the first one, which is missing?
D.
D.
D is missing, so
D.
110 dash. As D is at the last, you need to keep a dash at the last only. So 110 dash. This dash may be either 0 or 1. This is 12 and this is 13. In the second term, which are missing?
CD.
CD. So AB is 1, 1. You need to keep dash at the last two. What are the two combinations? 0, 0,
0, 1.
12 or 13.
0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These ones should be the same. This is 12, 13,
13.
14, 15.
15.
436. In the third one, which is missing?
A, B, D.
A, B, D. So A is dash, B is dash, C is 1, D is dash. How many combinations?
8.
Tell me what are the midterms for C?
3.
Hmm.
2, 3, ma'am. 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14,
Yeah.
15.
2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15. For the second one, what you got? For AB,
1100.
15.
tell me midterms 12, 13,
13,
14.
14, 15.
Tell me for B, C bar. Tell me.
4, 5, 12, 13.
Yeah, very good. Last one, B bar D.
One, 3, 9 level.
Very good. 1, 3, 9, 11. Now tell me F equal to sigma m. First which you got?
12, 13.
Write down 12, 13. Second,
12, 13, 14, 15.
already
13,
12,
14,
13 we
15.
have written. No need to repeat. Just write down 14, 15. Third,
2, 3, 6.
2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15.
10, 11. Already 14, 15 we got.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth,
5, 4, 5.
4, 5. Next,
1, 3, 9, 11.
1, 3, 9, 11. Already 11 we have written. Now write down in a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you need to draw the K-map. A, B are now rows, C, D are columns. First row is A bar, B bar. Second row,
AB bar. AR.
A bar, B. That is the reason I asked you to remember 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1,
Double
1.
1, 1, 0.
A, B. A, B bar. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. C bar, D
B bar.
bar.
C bar.
C
C
bar,
bar
D.
or D. C, B, C, D. D, D bar.
Now tell me this. 0, 1, 3,
3,
2, 4,
4,
5,
1, 7, 8,
6.
6,
Last
8.
row will be 8.
8,
8,
9,
9, 11, 10.
11, 12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
15, 14. I think you know how I have written all these things.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now see 8 ones.
Yes, ma'am. 1,
Which
5,
are?
39.
Tell me.
1, 5, 39, 3, 7,
Hmm.
15.
Very good. 1, 1, 5, 39, 3, 7, 15, 11. This is your one octet. Grouping of 8 cells is called as octet. What is the expression?
D, ma'am.
Hmm?
D.
Yeah, very good. If it is covering all the rows, all the A and B values will be cancelled out. 2 columns, C will be cancelled out, left over with D. Tell me the next one.
3, 7, 15, 11, 2, 6, 4, 10.
6.
2, 6, 14, 10.
Means third and fourth column.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the expression.
C.
E.
C, very good. Next,
Second row and third row.
very good. What is the expression?
B.
B.
So F is equivalent to B plus C plus D.
Yes, ma'am.
How many gates I require?
3,
Huh?
4.
4, 5, ma'am.
1 gate.
Only one gate. B, C, D or gate. But for the given expression, how many gates are required?
More than 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 midterms are there. 5
Six
AND
gates.
gates and 1 OR gate, and I am not considering NOT gate also. So total 6 gates are minimum or 1 gate is minimum.
1 gate.
Is it clear for all of you?
One gate.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you do the next problem now?
Yes, ma'am.
Please take down. But in the exam, most probably they won't give in terms of A and B's. They'll be giving directly sigma m expression only. But in order to practice to convert into simple to standard SOP, I'm asking you to do these problems. Okay. Please take down the third question and try to convert into standard SOP. Draw the K map and tell me the expression. Take down first.
Yes.
AB. Have you completed this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
AB plus AC bar plus C plus AD plus AB bar C plus ABC. I am writing the question. If you want, you can see over here. AB is the first term. AC bar is the second term. Third term is C. Fourth is AD. Fifth is ABC. Sorry, AB bar C. Sixth is ABC. Now let us see who will do this problem first with correct answer.
Ma'am, sixth one, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth one is ABC. Fifth is AB bar C.
Ma'am. Okay,
And
ma'am.
fourth one AB or AD, ma'am.
Which one?
Fourth one.
AD. D for Delhi. Nana, please tell me the stepwise. No need to be hurry-burry. For the first term, tell me the midterms.
1100.
Tell me the midterms.
6, 7.
11, 12, 13, 14.
Very good. 12, 13, 14, 15. For the second one,
8,
8,
9,
9, 12, 13.
10.
very good. 8, 9, 12, 13. For third one,
2, 3, 14, 15.
2,
2,
3,
3,
6, 7,
2,
7,
3, 6,
11,
7.
10, 11, 14, 15.
Very good. 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15.
Fourth one, 9, 11, 13, 15.
Very good. Fourth one, 9, 11, 13, 15.
Fifth one, 10, 11.
Very good. 10, 11, fifth one.
Last one, 14, 15.
Very good. 14, 15. Now combine all those things and tell me sigma m.
2, 3, 4.
Tell me in sequence, Anna.
2, 3, 4, 8.
Where you got 4?
Ma'am, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I am telling you, just check it out. 2, 3, 6, 7. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Yes, ma'am.
8 to 15, all the numbers
Yes,
2,
ma'am.
3, 6, 7. Have you got the same thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about others?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Draw the 4 variable K map now.
Ma'am, answer is A plus C, ma'am.
A plus C, ma'am.
I'm also doing along with you.
A plus C, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, A plus C is your answer. Very good. I think it is clear for all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now take down it as a homework problem. Only one problem I am giving you. Please try to solve it in the same way.
Yes, ma'am.
Take down this problem. Before telling this problem, I want to tell you this example as a direct method. So listen. Because in the exam, you can minimize the time for solving purpose. That is the reason I am telling you. See here, third problem I am telling you direct method. Just for plotting, I think you are clear about which are adjacent. Please don't write anything, listen to me. Because if you are going for any competitive exams, the questions will be direct for the same thing. They'll be asking to simplify within 1 minute. That is the reason I'm telling you. Try to practice this method.
B bar.
Yeah. What is the first one, Nana?
A, B.
AB. Tell me which is having AB.
Third row.
Fourth.
Row. As C and D values are not there, just keep the ones in the third row.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll tell you the first right. You need to write down this also because it will be clear for you. Now, if you observe, already I have simplified, converted into standard SOP. Tell me what are the terms which you got for AB?
12, 13, 14, 15.
Can I say I have written the same thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is the second one?
Yes, C bar.
Tell me which row is having A?
Third
Third.
and fourth.
Third and fourth row. As C bar is present in the column, tell me which column is C bar?
First and second.
So 3, 4 is row, 1, 2 is column. So tell me where you are having intersection of 3, 4, 1, 2.
12, 13, 14.
8, 9, 12, 13.
8, 9, 12, 13. 3, 4, 1, 2. Can I expect the same thing you got for 8, 9, 12, 13 for second element?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
C. Where you are having C.
Third and fourth column.
So you need to keep blindly third and fourth column.
Yes, ma'am.
For C, you got 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth is
0,
A, B.
D. Is which row?
Third and fourth row.
Third and fourth row. D is
Second and third column.
third, fourth row, second, third column. Which elements?
13, 15,
9,
9.
11.
Already we have
15.
mapped 9, 11, 13, 15. Next.
A, B bar, C.
A, B bar is which row?
Fourth row.
C is which column?
Third and fourth column.
Yeah. Last row, third and fourth column, that is 10, 11. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
A, B, C. A, B is third row. C is last two columns. 14 and 15.
11th one.
This is 1. This is 1. The expression for this is C. This is A. So A plus C. Is it clear the direct method?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now take down this second word. Take down this problem and try to solve it. A, B bar, C. A, B bar, C. Plus B. Plus B, D bar. Plus AB, D bar. Plus A bar, C. Shall I repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First term is A, B bar, C.
Yes, ma'am.
Second term is B.
Yes, ma'am.
Third term is B, D bar.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth is A, B, D bar.
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth is A bar, C.
Okay, ma'am.
Nana, please do it now itself. Because once you close this session, you won't take out your notebooks. Please try to do it now and tell me the answer. Who is that? Nana, please don't disturb the class.
B plus C.
Yeah, very good. The answer is B plus C. Others also please try to do. చూసుకోలేదు. Answer. Yeah, are you doing it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer you got?
B plus C.
B
B
plus C.
plus
C.
D. Okay, this is all about the K-map still 4 variable of SOP. So in the next class we'll discuss about SOP, POS and 5 variable. And again you'll be having class on Monday. You don't have any class tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
49.